Wow. September 9th, 2022. We got a bunch of blackbirds up here. There's like 3 in the top of that tree right there. Just stopped raining finally. 4 of them up there, I guess. Actually, there's another one over there. But yeah, a buddy just called me and I came out after the rain. Got a big truck coming this way, picking up some trash or something. Oh, the power. Oh yeah, our power's out. Let me see what's going on here. Wow, they're stopping right here. How's it going?
Yeah, we got the whole 80 people out of fire.
Oh, well, that's not.
That bamboo blew over into the lawn, though.
No.
Huh?
No, it didn't.
Okay.
Well, it wanted to, but no, it's not hitting the lawn yet.
Okay. That bamboo's so the biggest pain in the butt.
Is it really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
It gets that wind, that rain.
Yeah. I think it touched it before, but I broke all those off, so it's
well,
kind
just be careful.
Yeah. Okay.
It'll bite you.
Yeah, that's for sure. I don't want to get near. I don't know. You know where it is?
Well, no, after I thought somebody said there was a loud bang.
Yeah, there was a couple of them actually. But his house got hit by lightning, man. This is a big lightning
Today?
spot. Those, no, about 2 weeks ago. That tree right there, see where that's split open?
Yeah.
That's been hit. All these trees down here have been hit. I saw that tree get hit.
We're gonna go give it a try, see if it stays long.
All right, man. Thanks. Appreciate it. So, yeah, there's the FPL truck contractor guy. He's going by, and I was out here standing, looking at my bamboo. And he said, "Yeah, keep that bamboo off the power lines." So he said, "Yeah, that's the biggest problem they got." Yeah. Yeah, funny he should stop. So there it was. That was the FPL guy telling me to keep the bamboo off the power lines, and I just made a video previous to this where I was. And yeah, he said, and the wind starts blowing. So yeah, a couple of these, I think a couple of those did actually touch a couple times before. And yeah, I might have to work on those. Yeah, you don't want to touch that shit either. I mean the power line. Well, they should put them damn cables underground. That's all I know. Damn it. I just went to turn the toaster oven on and we got no power. What am I going to do? I got salsa in there. I got some bag chips, I guess I could. Oh, I got the generator. How much gas I got? Fire the generator and plug in the deep fryer and get the window air conditioner out and yeah, so anyways, got officially warned by the FPL guy, keep the bamboo off the power lines. But yeah, look at this spike up here. Look at this, see that thing? I saw that. Really. I got here through the swamp. Look at it. Oh, there it is. You can see it now. The carnage. It's horrible. Oh, man. Here comes my buddy. I told him about it. He rushed right over. He rushed right over to see it. Thank God he's here. Let's see if I can take a picture of this thing. Dog's going crazy. She knows he's here now. All right, we're gonna assess the damage. See what we can do. Maybe we can put a Band-Aid on it. I don't know. Find a big ladder. Go up there. Oh man, that was a big one too. That was gonna be like right out the front here, real